Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Misra. This video tutorial is on Principles of Management. This is part 4. Now come to the questions. Question number 1. Centralization refers to A. Retention of decision-making authority, B. Dispersal of decision-making authority, C. Creating divisions as profit centers, or D. Opening new centers of branches. Correct option is A. Retention of decision-making authority. 2. Span of management refers to A. Number of managers, B. Length of the term for which a manager is appointed, C. Number of subordinate under a superior, or D. Number of members in top management. Correct option is C. Number of subordinate under a superior. 3. A network of social relationship that arise spontaneously due to the interaction at work is called A. Formal organization, B. Informal organization, C. Decentralization, D. Delegation. The correct option is B. Informal organization. 4. Which of the following does not follow the scalar chain? A. Functional structure, B. Divisional structure, C. Formal organization, or D. Informal organization. Correct option is D. Informal organization. 5. For delegation to be effective, it is essential that responsibility be accompanied with necessary A. Authority, B. Manpower, C. Incentives, or D. Promotion. Correct option is A. Authority. 6. The form of organization known for giving rise to rumors is called A. Centralized organization, B. Functional organization, C. Decentralized organization, or D. Informal organization. Correct option is D. Informal organization. 7. Grouping of activities on the basis of products line is a part of A. Delegated organizations, B. Divisional organizations, C. Functional organization, or D. Autonomous organization. Correct option is B. Divisional organizations. 8. Identification and grouping of activities to be undertaken and assigning them of different departments is A. Planning, B. Directing, C. Organizing, D. Coordinating. Correct option is C. Organizing. 9. Find out the odd. A. Well-defined structure, B. Official line communication, C. Well-planned relation, or D. Social interaction. Correct option is D. Social interaction. 10. The right to give orders and power to obedience is A. Responsibility, B. Accountability, C. Authority, or D. Delegation. Correct option is C. Authority. 11. The process of sharing authority by superior to subordinate is A. Delegation, B. Accountability, C. Centralization, D. Responsibility. Correct option is A. Delegation. 12. Line organization is also called A. Military organization, B. Functional organization, C. Line and staff organization, D. Project organization. Correct option is A. Military organization. 13. The framework within which managerial and operating tasks are performed is called A. Staffing, B. Organization structure, C. Job design, D. Departmentation. Correct option is B. Organization structure. 14. Dash is the obligation of a subordinate to properly perform the assigned duty. A. Authority, B. Responsibility, C. Accountability, D. Decentralization. Correct option is B. Responsibility. 15. Identify the odd one from the following. A. Notice, B. Memos, C. Orders, D. Complaints. Correct option is D. Complaints. 16. First step in organizing is A. Establishing authority relationship, B. Coordination of activities, C. Grouping of jobs into departmentation, D. Division of work. Correct option is D. Division of work. 17. Which among the following is true for formal organization? A. It is not clear, B. To satisfy the members, C. Importance to persons and feelings, D. To fulfill the firm's goal. Correct option is D. To fulfill the firm's goal. 18. Dash is the managerial function of guiding, nursing and leading people to the attainment of objectives. A. Controlling, B. Direction, C. Planning, D. Organizing. Correct option is B. Direction. 19. Which among the following is not an element of direction? A. Supervision, B. Organizing, C. Motivation, D. Leadership. Correct option is B. Organizing. 20. Which among the following statement relating to leadership is false? A. Leadership is a process of influence. B. Leadership is goal oriented. C. Leadership is bossism. D. A leader must have followers. Correct option is C. Leadership is bossism. 21. Which type of leader allow complete delegation of authority? A. Creative leaders. B. Persuasive leaders. C. Laissez-faire leaders. Or D. Intellectual leaders. Correct option is C. Laissez-faire leaders. 22. Which among the following is not a quality of a leader? A. Charming personality. B. Ability to take decision. C. Communication skill. D. Lazy attitude. Correct option is D. Lazy attitude. 23. Under which style of leadership the leader completely delegates the authority to the subordinates? A. Free rein leadership. B. Paternalistic leadership. D. Participative leadership. Or D. Authoritarian leadership. Correct option is D. Authoritarian leadership. 24. Which among the following is not a style of grid in the managerial grid by Blake and Mountain? A. Task management. B. Innovation management. C. Middle road. Or D. Country club. Correct option is B. Innovation management. 25. Which leadership theory suggests that leaders are born, not made? A. Trait theory. B. Situational theory. C. Great man theory. Or D. Behavioral theory. Correct option is C. Great man theory. 26. Which among the following is a characteristics of motivation? A. Internal feeling. B. Simple process. C. One-time process. Or D. Not a goal-oriented process. Correct option is A. Internal feeling. 27. Which among the following is not in the 5 types of needs proposed by Maslow? A. Psychological needs. B. Social needs. C. Esteem. Or D. Safety needs. Correct option is A. Psychological needs. 28. Which theory explains that there are 2 separate factors influence motivation? A. Adams equity theory. B. Maslow's need hierarchy theory. C. Hertzberg's hygiene theory. Or D. McGregor's theory X and theory Y. Correct option is C. Hertzberg's hygiene theory. 29. Which among the following is not a type of budget? A. Materials budget. B. Information budget. C. Production budget. Or D. Cash budget. Correct option is B. Information budget. 30. Dash is the point at which there is no profit or no loss. A. Maximum profit point. B. Minimum loss point. C. Break-even point. Or D. Breakdown point. Correct option is C. Break-even point. So this was all about this video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.